Hello students, last class we did some problem. This class we will do remaining problems. So next, what is given here? The angles in a triangle. The angles in a triangle or in AP. Let take angles in a triangle. Let angles be A, B and C or in AP or in AP. These are in AP and the mean of this one means B is equal to A plus C by 2. Mean. Because ABC are in AB, so B is the mean. It is average of A and C. Okay. So the angles of triangle are in AB and the radian measure of the smallest one. This is the smallest angle. Smallest angle. A the smallest angle. The radian measure of the smallest one. So smallest one, radian measure of the smallest one to the degree measure of the mean. So ratio you have to take. This is the mean. B is the mean law. Mean. What is given in that one? So smallest angle is given in radians and the mean is given in degrees. 200 degrees. Okay, clear? So these are the given things. The greatest angle in the grades you have to find out. So C is the greatest one. C is the greatest one. So this C angle you have to find in grades. Okay, first sum of three angles in a triangle. So what is the sum of the three angles in a triangle? It is 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Now here you see, here A plus C will become 2B. So instead of A plus C, we can write 2B. So B plus 2B is equal to 180 degrees. Then what we get? B plus 2B, 3B. 3B is equal to 180 degrees. 3 1 ja, 360. So we got the B angle. What is B angle? 60 degrees. Next, coming to next step. This ratio you have to consider. So what is the ratio is given? A is to B is equal to pi radians is to 200 degrees. So this pi you have to convert into degrees. 180 by pi you have to multiply to convert this into degrees. Radians to degrees is to 200 degrees. So pi gets cancelled. So 180 means 0 gets cancelled. 2 10 ja, 2 9 ja. So 9 is to 10. A is to B is equal to 9 is to 10. Okay. Now, if you see the ratio, A and B ratio is 9 is to 10. So what about the C ratio in it? C ratio. Some of the three angles ratio will take. So A is to B is to C we don't know, like that only keep. So that is 9 is to 10 is to C. Okay. So now from this we take A plus C by 2. B is equal to A plus C by 2. A plus C is equal to 2B. C is equal to 2B minus A from this ratio, from this one, mean. So B value how much? 10. A value 9. 20 minus 9, 11. So C's ratio is 11. So what is the ratio? A is to B is to C is equal to 9 is to 10 is to 11. Okay, clear? Now what is the angle? C angle you have to find out. Right. Now I will drop this one. You have to find out C angle. B we already know. Okay. So ratios we take 9x is to 10x is to 11x. It is nothing but A is to B is to C. Sum of the angles. A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. So what is A ratio? 9x plus 10x plus 11x is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Add all those things. What you get nearly? It is a 30. 30x is equal to 180. 0, 0, 3 1 ja, 3 6 ja. So x is equal to 6 degrees. So multiply with this. So A is what is the ratio? A is 9x. That is equal to 9 into 6 degrees. 54 degrees. Smallest angle. B is 6 into 10, 60 already we got now. B value already we got. If you want, we can write again. Next, B value. This is 54 degrees. So B value is equal to 10x. 10 into 6 degrees. 60 degrees. C value is equal to 11x. C's ratio. 11x into 6 degrees. So this will become 66 degrees. So greatest angle is C. This you have to convert into grades. This you have to convert into grades. So this is in degrees now. Relation between degrees and grades. Degrees. D by 180 degrees is equal to G by 200 grades. So degrees you have to convert into grades. So here D place we have to write the 66. 66 by 180 degrees. Because it is in degrees now, in the place of D, that we have to substitute this degrees value. G by 200 grades. 0, 0, 2 10 ja, 2 9 8 goes. So what left? Cross multiply it. G is equal to 66 by 9 into 10. 3 3 ja. So what you get finally? G in grades 220 by 3 grades. So greatest value C in grades. C in grades what you get? 220 by grade. 220 by 3 grades. So this we can write by simplifying. So options are not happening. 126 by getting. If we simplify this one, 3 7 ja 21, 10 left, 3 3 is the 9, 1 by 3 grades. But option is not given. So therefore option is none of this. Fourth option. Okay, clear? Write down, copy it. No, we converted it, put it G in the place of grades. That means C angle. Okay. Next question. Seventh question. So what is given here? Carefully observe. Cot pi by 20 into cot 3 pi by 20, cot 5 pi by 20, cot 7 pi by 20, cot 9 pi by 20. So in this we can write 5 1 ja, 5 4 ja, cot pi by 4, cot 45 degrees. This you will get directly answer. Okay. Remaining you have to convert. Simplify. First given right now. Cot pi by 20 into cot 3 pi by 20. This I am going to cancel it. I am going to write cot 5 1 ja, 5 4 ja. 5 by 4 you get into cot 7 pi by 20 into cot 9 pi by 20. Now these two keep like that only. These two you have to convert in this form. So cot pi by 20 into cot 3 pi by 20. This cot 45 degrees 1. Cot 45 degrees value is 1. Next this we can write down cot pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 20. 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. If you take LCM, 20 will come. 2 times are 20. 10 into pi. 10 pi minus 3 pi. 7 pi will get. Okay? Clear? So I am writing this in this form. This also write cot 90 minus pi by 20. This also same. LCM is 20. 2 times are 20. 10 into pi. 10 pi minus pi. 9 pi by 20 will come. Okay? Clear? So now next step. This one you keep like that only. Cot pi by 20 into cot 3 pi by 20. 1 into same will come. Next here this one become 90 minus theta. It falls in first quadrant. 90 minus theta, first quadrant. All are positive. But it is operating on y-axis. Whenever trigonometric ratios operate on y-axis, ratios changes. When x-axis ratio does not changes. Here 90 minus theta means it falls in first quadrant. So sine is plus only come. Ratio changes. Cot it changes to tan. Tan 3 pi by 20 into tan pi by 20. Tan of cot. Tan of cot gets cancelled. Tan can be written as 1 by cot. If you want, you can write another step. This you can write tan. Tan pi by 20. 1 by tan pi by 20. 1 by tan 3 pi by 20 into tan 3 pi by 20 into tan pi by 20. Okay? Tan pi by 20 cancel. So finally what we get? So option, you only select option from this. So one time goes 1. Option is C. Okay. Next question. Next question. Cos square 1 degree plus cos square 2 degrees plus cos square 3 degrees plus so on cos square 90 degrees. Okay. Here cos 90 is 0. It goes up to cos 89. It will come. Let us see what we get. Write down. Given things write down. Cos square 1 degree plus cos square 89 right here. Okay, first one is over. Next, cos square 2 degree plus cos square 88 degrees plus 1 plus cos 90 will become 0. Okay, clear? First I am writing cos square 1. Here, before 90 degrees, cos 89 degrees here. After, before that one, 88. With combination I am going to write. Now, cos square 1 degree. This I can write cos 90 minus 1. Cos 90 minus 1. So cos square 90 minus 1 will become 89 now. Same way, here also I am going to write cos 90 minus 2 degrees. Here 90 minus 1 degree, here 90 minus 2 degrees. Plus so on. This one become 0. Okay, here cos square comes, square don't forget it. So now cos square 1 degree. So 90 minus 1 means first quadrant it falls. First quadrant all are positive. So it is operating on y-axis, ratio changes. So plus sine square 1 degree will come. Here you keep first one as it is, cos square 2 degrees. Next coming to second one, 90 minus 2 degrees means it falls in first quadrant. First quadrant all are positive. Next ratio, it is operating on y-axis, now ratio changes, cos to sine. So sine square 2 degrees. Plus so on. Remaining things also same thing will be. Plus up to 0. So what you get here? So how many things we have? How many sets we have like this? So we know this is in the form of, finally here, right? This is in the form of sine square theta plus cos square, identity. Its value is 1. Its value is 1. So that one we write, this one is the 1 plus 1. How many ones will get? So on. Total 90. In 91 is become 0. That means 89 pairs. In 89 pairs, middle one is cos 45 degrees. Cos 45 degrees remains like that only. Cos 45 degrees. Cos 45 degrees remains like that only. If you want, you can write that value. Cos 45 degrees. Square 1 by root 2 whole square. So remaining pairs, how many will get? One is 90 degrees, goes up 90 degrees. Total we have 90, no? In 90. 1, 2, 3, up to 90 we have 90 cos squares. From this 91 becomes 0 and 45 degrees also we have to remove. Total 88. This all pairs we have. This causes we have 88. So half of the 88, 44 pairs will get. This kind of pairs, how many will get? 44 pairs. So plus this one is square means root gets cancelled, half plus 0. So how many pairs will get? 44. So 44. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 44 pairs. Plus half. So 88 plus 1 by 2. 89 by 2. Is it clear? Total we have 1 to cos 90. So cos squares how many we have? 90 again. From this 90, cos 90 value is 0 degrees. Cos 90 degrees is equal to 0. So that 0 is goes off, 89 left. In this 89, in middle value, in 89 values, middle value is cos 45 degrees. Cos 45 degrees. So remaining pairs 88 we have. So remaining cos squares 88 we have. That we have coupling, pairing. So pairing means 2 to we are pairing means if you divide with 2 means 44 pairs will get. How many pairs will get? 44 pairs. So each pair is becoming 1. So total pairs is 44. 1 plus 1 plus 44 times means 44 will come. Here cos 45 means 1 by root 2. Whole square means 1 by 2. So if you add up and simplify it, you will get 89 by 2. So one option is that also comes like that one. So on. Written so on, no. 2 degrees to 3 degrees also will get. So our option is D option is correct. Next question. Sine square 1 degree plus sine square 2 degrees, sine square 3 degrees plus 1 plus sine square 180 degrees. So options 0, 1, 90, 90, 89. Okay. So we will see. First you write down what is given. Sine 1 degree, sine square 1 degree, sine square 2 degree plus so on sine square 90 degrees plus sine square 91 degree plus sine square 92 degrees plus so on sine square 179 degrees, sine square 180 degrees. Okay. This sine square 180 degrees, 90 plus 90 cos 90 0. This will become 0. Cos 90 is 0 it will become. So next step, sine square 1 degree plus sine square 2 degrees plus so on. Sine 90 will become 1. Plus here you see, this way I am going to write sine 180 degrees minus 89. 180 minus 89, 91 will get. Next this also, sine 180 degrees minus 88. Plus so on. This I am going to write sine 180 degrees minus 1 degree. Plus 180, sine 180 means sine 90 plus 90, cos 90 0 it becomes. So here sine 180 will become 0. Okay. Clear? Any doubt? So now this one you write separately. This one I am writing here 1 plus sine 1 degree. Sine square 1 degree plus sine square 2 degrees plus so on plus this one I written here. This one become 180 minus theta. Second quadrant sine is there. It falls in second quadrant. Sine cosecant is there. So plus only come. It is operating on x-axis. So ratio does not change. Sine 89 only comes. Here sine square 88. Square you don't forget. Square also you have to write down. Like that it comes. Plus so on. This one become sine 1 degree. Plus 0 means nothing will come. If you add 0, same thing will get. So now you see sine 1, sine 1. 2 sine 1, sine square 1. Sine square 1, sine square 1. 2 sine square 1 square. Sine square 2. Before this, you will get sine square 2. Always write sine square 2, sine square 1. 1 degree. Sine 178 will come sine square 2. Okay? Sine square 1, sine square 1. Sine square 2, sine square 2. Sine square 3, sine square. So on. All are double added. All are double added. So you write 1 plus 2 into sine square 1. So otherwise, one more step is like 2 sine square 1 degree, 2 sine square 2 degree plus so on plus 2 sine square 89 degrees. 2 sine square 89 degrees. 90 we already written here 1. So next step what again? 1 plus take out 2 common. From this we take out 2 common. What left behind? Sine square 1 degree plus sine square 2 degree plus 1 plus sine square 89. Okay, clear? Now next step 1 plus 2 into sine square 1 degree plus sine square 89 degrees. Pairs I am writing plus sine square 2 degree plus sine square 88 degrees. Before this we will get 88. So plus so on. Plus so on. What you get next? Finally, sine square 89 degrees plus sine square 1 degree will come. Okay? And the sine square 45 degrees is the middle one. Middle one is the sine square 45 degrees. Clear? From 89, total we have 89 here. From 89, 45 is the, we are having value this one. Separate to write. So 89 sine squares we are having. So 14, 45 if you remove from this, 88 will get. Okay? So this thing. You have close the bracket. So this one becomes 2 into sine square 1 degree. This we can write sine 90 minus 1 degree. So 90 minus 1 degree. Sine square 90 minus 1 degree. Same way this also. Sine square 2 degree. Sine 90 minus 2 degrees. Okay? Plus 1 plus here sine square 89 degrees plus sine square 90 minus 89 degrees. This sine square 45 degrees become 1 by root 2 whole square. Okay? Let us take next. Are you ready? I am going to rub this one. Copy it. Otherwise, you take screenshot. So next step, 1 plus this one become 2 into sine square 1 degree, 90 minus theta in first quadrant. So first quadrant all are positive. It is operating on y-axis. Ratio changes, sine to cos. Cos square 1 degree. Same. Next one also. Sine square 2 degree plus cos square 2 degree. Plus so on. Finally, you will get here sine square 89 degrees plus cos square 89 degrees plus half. Root 2 square gets cancelled, 1 by 2 will come. This also under bracket. Total is under bracket. Okay? Lower bracket. So next 1 plus 2 into this one in the form of sin square theta plus cos square theta. What is the sin square theta plus cos square theta formula? 1 plus 1 plus so on plus 1 plus half. Since sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Next step. Carefully observe this pairs. How many pairs having? 44 pairs. In last problem also we observed that 44 pairs are there. So 44 plus half. So LCM you take, what you get here? If you take LCM, 2 into 44 into 2, 88 plus 1 by 2. That is 1 plus 2 into 89 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. 1 plus 89. That is equal to 90. So what is the option? C is the option. C is the option. Any doubt? Here. Copy it. So next question. What is given? Sine 120 degrees into cos 150 degrees minus cos 250 degrees into sine 330 degrees. It is very easy one. Convert this one into simplest form. First given write down sine 120 degrees into cos 150 degrees minus cos 240 degrees to sine 330 degrees. So first we can write this one sine 90 plus 30 degrees. This one cos 90 plus 60 degrees. And this one cos 180 plus 60 degrees. And this one sine 360 degrees minus 30 degrees. Okay. Now careful observe. It is operating on, whenever you get to 90, it operates on y-axis. Whenever you get to 180 or 270, y-axis. Whenever 90 and 270, y-axis. 360, 0 or 180, x-axis. So 90 means it is operating on y-axis. It falls in second quadrant. Second quadrant sign is there. So plus only come. Ratio changes because it is operating on y-axis. Cos 30 degrees. So here cos 90 plus 60. It falls in second quadrant. Second quadrant cos is not there, only sine cosecant having. So that's why minus will come. And the ratio also changes because it is operating on y-axis. Cos become sine 60 degrees. Okay. Minus 180 plus 60. 180 plus 60. Third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan cot is there, cos is not there, minus will come. It is operating on x-axis, ratio does not change, cos 60 only comes. Next, sine 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta means it falls in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant sine is not there, cos secant having, so minus will come. So ratio does not change because it is operating on x-axis. Whenever the trigonometric ratios operates on x-axis, ratios does not change. So sine only comes. Sine 30 degrees. So now you see plus into minus, minus cos 30 degrees 1 by 2 into sine 60 root 3 by 2. Here minus into minus plus becomes, here minus remains like that only. Cos 60 1 by 2 sine 30 1 by 2. You have to take out minus common from these two. Root 3 into 1 root 3. 2 2 is 4. Here 1 into 1 1. 2 2 is 4. So minus we took out, no plus will come in between. So that means what is the resultant? LCM is 4 minus root 3 plus 1. Put in brackets. So see what is the option here? D is the option. Option D is the correct. This is M set bit. M set 2006. M set 2000 bit. Wait. M set bit. M set 2006. This is last one, M set 2006. Last.